We're explaining how to ensure safe web applications using Content Security Policy, CSP, in ASP.NET WebForms. Chapter 1. First, understand what CSP is. It's a powerful security mechanism that lets you control the resources the browser is allowed to load for your web page. This helps prevent cross-site scripting, XSS, attacks, a major web vulnerability. 2. Implementing CSP in ASP.NET WebForms involves adding a special HTTP response header called Content Security Policy. This header dictates the allowed sources for various resource types like scripts, style sheets, images, and iframes. 3. We'll look at how to add this header in your WebForms application. The easiest way is to use the HTTP module approach. Create a custom HTTP module in your ASP.NET project. This module will intercept outgoing HTTP responses and add the Content Security Policy header. 4. Inside your module's post-authorize-request or post-request-handler-execute method, you'll use HTTP context response dotted headers. Add Content Security Policy, your CSP directive. 5. Your CSP directive is where the magic happens. This string defines your CSP rules. For example, default SRC self, script SRC self, unsafe inline, IMG SRC self, data. Allows resources from the same origin for default resources and scripts, but also allows inline scripts for simplicity. In production, aim for unsafe inline removal. And images from the same origin and data URLs. 6. Breaking down this example. Default SRC sets the default source for all unspecified resource types. Self restricts resources to the current origin. Script SRC specifically controls script sources, and unsafe inline temporarily allows inline scripts. Use cautiously, and ideally remove it for better security. IMG SRC controls image sources. 7. It's crucial to understand each directive's implications. Experimenting with CSP is essential, but start conservatively and gradually loosen restrictions as needed, while carefully monitoring your application. 8. Testing your CSP is important. Browser developer tools usually provide a CSP violation report section. This will show you any violations of your policy, helping you refine it. 9. Remember that CSP is not a silver bullet. It's a crucial layer of defense, but combine it with other security practices like input validation, output encoding, and regular security audits for comprehensive protection. 10. Always prioritize removing unsafe inline and unsafe eval as soon as possible to significantly enhance your application's security posture. Regularly review and update your CSP rules as your application